So if you find yourself in front of a screen much of the day, you may notice that you get stressed out, your eyes get a little buggy, and it's hard to focus, and you just feel drained after a lot of hours of doing that. So in this video, I'm going to tell you why looking at a screen or having a narrowed focus is increasing your overall stress levels and anxiety. And I'm also going to give you one simple tool that you can do at work or at home to improve that. So when your visual system responds in this way, your brain interprets it as if it was an actual stress response, and then gets the rest of the physiology or your body to respond as if there was something that was actually threatening you. And so it's that reciprocal relationship between our eyes and our brain that can create that stress response. But the beauty of it is, just as easily as it can create a stress response, we can change our visual system to interpret that we can go into a relaxed state, also known as parasympathetic response. And then now we can calm our system down, decrease the stress, and go into a place of healing. And that is what I'm going to show you today, a simple exercise you can do at work or at home to bring yourself into a relaxed state and calm your visual system so that you can calm your brain. So you want to sit upright as possible, because again, our posture also sends signals to our brain about what's going on within our body. So it's important to sit upright while you're doing this. So next, close your eyes, and we're going to take a deep inhale as if you're breathing through your belly. As you inhale, you want to visualize the energy going through your belly, up through your chest, to your neck, and then to the top of your head. Hold it there. And then slowly exhale through your mouth. We're going to do another one of those. So deep inhale through your nose, up through the belly, up through the chest, the neck, all the way to the top of the head. Hold. And slow exhale through your mouth. And gently open your eyes, and then hold your fingers out in front of you, just like this. Now you're going to focus your vision on your two fingers. As you focus your vision, you're gently going to bring your fingers apart and keep your visual field forward, but notice both your fingers. So you're broadening your visual field while you do this. So again, staring forward, but you're noticing your fingers all the way to the point where you can't see them. And then once you notice you can't see them, bring them just slightly back into your visual field and hold them there while you look forward. Now we're going to go up with them. Again, notice you should be able to see both the left and right side. Again, just looking forward, noticing them in your visual field as we go up and down. Again, you're looking forward as you're noticing them in your periphery. As we rise the fingers up, now I want you to breathe again as we did before. So inhale through the belly, up through the chest as you bring your fingers upward, up through the neck. Hold the air up the top of your head. Again, you should be able to see the fingers in your periphery. Hold. Slowly lower as you exhale through your mouth. Do that again. So inhale as you rise the fingers up. You should see them in your periphery. Up through the belly, through the chest, through the neck. Hold the air at the top of your head. Slowly exhale through your mouth as the fingers come back down. one more time. So again, holding the fingers out, you should be able to see them in your periphery as you're just staring forward, but noticing both your fingers. Inhale through your nose, through the belly, through the chest, through the neck, all the way, hold at the top of your head. Slowly exhale through your mouth as the fingers come down. So what that does is it takes a visual system from a more narrow focus to a broader focus. And that signals to the brain that it can go into relaxation mode. When combined with the breath, it also allows the system to make that transition from stress response to a relaxed response within the nervous system. You can repeat that sequence as many times as you feel that you need to, but what you should notice is almost if your eyes kind of relax. Sometimes you may notice that you swallow or take a deep breath or even yawn, and those are all great signs that your nervous system is going into a more relaxed state. So this is just one more tool that you have. The next time you're feeling like you've been looking at a screen for a long period of time, you feel like you're stressed, you need a moment to step away, it's a great active approach to transitioning the nervous system to set your system up for healing, restoration, and relaxation. If you found value in this, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who would also benefit from this.